The Bible, the Old Testament, is not just a book of ethics.
Bībele, vecā derība, nav tikai ētikas grāmata.
The Old Testament, the writings of Moses, the writings of the prophets, according to Philip, he says, these wrote about Jesus.
Tātad, viņi saka, tas ir rakstīts par Jēzu.
Luke chapter 24.
Lūkas evaņģēlija 24. nodaļa.
Has this comment.
Tur ir šis komentārs.
Luke 24.
Lūkas evaņģēlija 24.
Verse
nodaļa.
25 to 27.
25. līdz 27. pāns.
You remember the two disciples, Cleopas and his friend, on the road to Emmaus.
Atcerieties Kleopu un viņa draugu ceļā uz Emausu.
They were talking.
Viņi sarunājas.
Then Jesus joins them and says this in verse 25.
Un tad Jēzus viņam pievienojas un 25. pantā saka,
How foolish you are, and how slow of heart to believe all that the prophets have spoken. Did not the Christ have to suffer these things and then enter his glory? Verse 27, and beginning with Moses and all the prophets, he explained to them what was said in all the scriptures concerning him.
Tad viņš tiem sacīja, ak, jūs nesaprašas un sirdī kūtrie, ka jūs negribat ticēt visu to, ko pravieši sludinājuši. Vai Kristum tā nebija jācieš un jāieiet savā godībā? Un iesākdams no Mūzes un visiem praviešiem, viņš tiem izskaidroja visus rakstus, kas par viņu rakstīti.
If you think about that verse,
Iedomājieties šo.
it is saying, Jesus began telling them
Jēzus sāka viņiem stāstīt.
that the scriptures, the writings of Moses,
Mūzes, viss, ko Mūzes
and
rakstīja,
all the prophets
visi pravieši,
have me.
viņiem,
They wrote about
viņi
me,
rakstīja par mani.
not just about ethics or
Ne tikai par
the laws,
ētiku vai likumus,
but about me, the Savior.
bet par mani.
Do you know
Vai jūs zināt,
that it is possible to be so zealous about the things of God that we can overlook God himself?
vai jūs zināt, ka var cilvēks būt tik dedzīgs par Dieva lietām, kad aizmirst Dievu?
We can even be so concerned about the second coming of Jesus that we don't know Jesus himself.
Mēs varam pat tik ļoti aizrauties ar Kristus otro atnākšanu, ka vispār mēs nepazīstam Jēzu.
In 2004, I was invited to a union, to a certain church union, to go and speak at a large meeting.
2004. gadā es tiku uzaicināts uz vienu uniju runāt lielā sanāksmē.
That union has a lot of Seventh-day Adventist members.
Tā nav 7. dienas adventistu unija.
So they hired a stadium.
Un viņi nolīga stadionu.
And then they announced that on Sabbath, the division president is speaking to the church members.
Un tad viņi paziņoja, ka sabatā divīzijas vadītājs sludinās draudz locekļiem.
So the union president wrote me a letter,
Un tad unijas prezidents sūtīja man vēstuli.
said, Pastor, people are going to gather at the stadium.
Viņi teica mācītāji, cilvēki sapulcēsies stadionā,
And you will speak to the people on Sabbath.
un tu sabatā runāsi uz cilvēkiem.
Then he told me, when you fly in, you go to Holiday Inn. That's where you are booked.
Un kad tu ielidosi, tu dosies uz Holiday Inn, tā ir tā viesnīca, kur tev ir rezervēta vieta.
So I told him, I will not fly, I will drive because I'm coming with my wife.
Es teicu, es nelidošu, es braukšu ar mašīnu, jo es ar savu sievu kopā braucam.
So my wife and I drove.
Un tā mēs braucām.
And on Friday, we checked in at Holiday Inn.
Un piekdienā mēs tātad ieradāmies šajā viesnīcā.
We were so tired.
Mēs bijām tik noguruši,
that when we checked in, we just parked the car, went to our room and slept.
mēs ieradāmies, nolikām mašīnu tajā stāvlaukumā un devāmies gulēt.
In the morning,
No rīta
the union president called me and said, Pastor, should I come and pick you and take you to the stadium?
un Unijas prezidents no rīta zvanīja un jautāja, vai man atbraukt tev pakaļ un aizvest tev uz stadionu.
I said, no,
Es teicu, nē,
I'm driving.
es braucu pats,
I will drive my car.
es pats braucu savu mašīnu.
So he said, Pastor, then you will find us at the stadium.
Saka, nu tad satiksimies stadionā.
My wife and I dressed
Mēs saģērbāmies,
in the usual Sabbath suits.
kā parasti sabatē uzvalkā.
Then we went to the car at 9:30,
Pusdesmitos mēs devāmies uz mašīnu,
ready to drive.
gatavi braukt.
When I got in the car,
Kad es iekāpu mašīnā,
I started the car.
es ieslēdzu aizdedzi,
The car could not start.
mašīna nedarbojās.
I began touching this and that.
Es sāku tur visu, ko raustīt,
The car could not start.
mašīna nedarbojas.
10 o'clock,
10:10,
the car could not start.
mašīna nesāk darboties.
I was supposed to be at the stadium by 10.
10:00 man jau bija jābūt stadionā.
So I start panicking.
Es sāku krist panikā.
Finally, I take the phone to call the union president,
Beidzot es paņēmu telefonu, lai zvanītu Unijas prezidentam,
but he had turned his phone off.
bet viņš jau bija izslēdzis telefonu.
So I didn't know anybody else to call.
Un es nezinu nevienu, kam zvanīt.
As I panicked,
Un kad es šādi jau biju panikā,
I opened the front part of the car.
es atvēru motoru vāku,
I found that there was a loose cable to the battery.
un es redzēju, ka tur ir viens kabels vaļā.
So I tied it quickly.
Es to ātri pieskrūvēju,
I got into the car,
iekāpu mašīnā,
started it,
ieslēdzu
and it started.
un sāku.
So I began racing to the stadium.
Un es sāku traukties uz stadionu.
That stadium seats a capacity of 45,000 people.
Tajā stadionā ir vieta 45,000 cilvēku.
So as I was driving,
Un kad es braucu tur,
I found many Adventists also driving.
es atklāju, ka tur vēl daudzi adventisti arī brauc.
I was the speaker.
Es biju tas, kas runā.
I needed to get there.
Man bija tur jātiek.
So I would come to all these people
Un es pienācu pie šiem cilvēkiem,
who are going to the stadium
kas dodas uz stadionu,
to listen to the speaker,
lai klausītos to, kas runās.
and I would plead with them, can I go?
Un es viņiem lūdzu, vai varat man palaist?
They would say, no,
Nē,
we are also going to the same place.
mēs arī dodamies turpat.
Okay,
Labi.
I go this side.
Es dodos Sanski,
I find more Adventists.
tur vēl daži adventisti.
Everybody was busy trying to get to the stadium
Visi ir aizņemti, lai tiktu uz to stadionu,
to listen to me,
lai klausītos mani.
but nobody would let me go to the stadium.
Bet neviens man nepalaiž uz to stadionu.
Until finally, we just parked the car with my wife and began walking.
Līdz beidzot mēs noparkojām mašīnu un devāmies kājām.
Then the union president saw us.
Kad Unijas prezidents mūs ieraudzīja,
Then he commanded all of them, move out, move out, move out.
viss pavēlēja visam uz malu, uz malu.
And then we began walking.
Un tad mēs sākām iet.
Now those people did not know
Tie cilvēki nezināja,
that I was the speaker.
kad es biju tas, kam jārunā.
But they were in a hurry to go and listen to the speaker.
Bet viņi visi bija steigā doties uz turieni, lai dzirdētu runātāju.
Sometimes that is how we act as people.
Dažreiz mēs uzvedamies kā šie cilvēki.
We want to go to heaven.
Mēs vēlamies doties uz debesīm.
We are in such a hurry to go to heaven that we don't know the Messiah of heaven.
Mēs tik ļoti steidzamies uz debesīm, ka mēs pat nepazīstam debesu Mesiju.
We want to go to heaven without knowing the one who owns heaven.
Mēs vēlamies doties uz debesīm, pat nepazīstot to, kam tas pieder.
So let me close this presentation
Un tā šo prezentācijas vēlētos noslēgt
with these concluding remarks.
ar šo noslēdzošo domu.
Satan himself
Arī Sātans pats
knows very well
ļoti labi zina,
that if the church made Jesus the center of a revival,
ja baznīca Jēzu noliks atmodas centrā,
there will be a deep spiritual revival that has never been there before.
tad būs ļoti liela garīga atmoda, kāda nav sen piedzīvota.
But he also knows
Viņš arī zina,
that if people make other things as the center of a revival,
ja cilvēki citas lietas noliks atmodas centrā,
they will not have a true spiritual revival.
viņiem nebūs patiesa garīga atmoda.
So Satan takes our eyes away from Christ the center.
Un līdz ar to Sātans cenšas novērst mūsu uzmanību no Kristus, kas ir centrā.
But I would like to say this
Bet es vēlētos teikt,
to you fellow pastors, fellow elders,
mani darba biedri, mācītāji,
fellow
vecāki,
members.
draudzes locekļi.
This book,
Šī grāmata
this lovely book,
ir mīļa
the
grāmata,
Bible,
Bībele.
teaches Christ as the center of all life in a church or in Christians.
Viņa māca, ka Kristus ir baznīcas un kristiešu draudzes dzīvē pašā centrā.
When we lift Christ up,
Kad mēs paaugstinām Kristu,
he draws people to himself.
viņš velk cilvēkus sev.
When we lift Christ up,
Kad mēs paaugstinām Kristu,
he empowers people to keep his commandments.
viņš aicina cilvēkus turēt viņa baušļus.
When we lift Christ up,
Kad mēs paaugstinām Kristu,
he empowers people to sacrifice for mission.
viņš aicina cilvēkus upurēt priekš misijas.
Therefore,
Tāpēc,
as you go on with the General Conference emphasis on revival and reformation,
kad jūs dosieties tālāk, ka ģenerāla konferences uzsver uz atmodu un reformāciju,
lead them to Jesus.
vediet viņus pie Jēzus.